As the concept of micro-lecture is getting more and more popular, teachers tend to make their own teaching videos that can be easily shared and spread. Capture provides a one-step solution, including screen recording, class recording, and video editing. Before the class, teachers may get frustrated to prepare the teaching materials. If they find a very interesting video clip on the YouTube, it will be such a waste of time to download the video, cut the video, and reformat the video like what we used to do. But with Capture, we can simply press the record button, bring out the recording area, and start recording. When the recording is over, press the stop button, and you will have a preview of your video clip. Then just press the export button and save your videos. Collecting teaching materials has never been so easy and efficient. In the class, just connect an actual camera to the panel and press the record button. The image of your students will be vividly presented in the corner. In this way, you can record the teaching contents as well as the moments that you engage and interact with your class. So even when the class is over, your students can review the whole class from your recorded videos. After the class, teachers can edit their recorded video in the video editing mode. Look familiar, right? Capture provides a simple video editing solution just as easy as the iMovie. At here, you can insert your recorded video and drag it to the track. You can either cut the videos, zoom in, zoom out the videos, or add in the transition effect. In the toolbar, you can also add in the subtitles and watermark. After editing the video, just press the export button and save your videos at a full HD resolution and upload it to the YouTube for sharing. In this way, every teacher can be a video master